This is my Minecraft binary processor, and here is where you input the opcode, and you can see it has things here. You might not be able to read them. Yeah, load, so 110, you can load something. So 110, and on here you can choose the memory location to load from. I'm going to choose to load from memory location 1, actually no, 2, and this bit here changes whether I'm loading it from the memory or from the just doing loading location number 2, or loading the location stored in location number 2. So I'm just going to load location number 2. And that bit there is the memory that was stored in location number 2. And then to that I can choose these, and it says add is 0, 0, 0, so they're all off. Red is off. And if I add six of that, actually no, that's quite a big number. I add 64 to that. 68. 60. Right. 72. So that. I'll turn it on, and then that button and that one should light up. Right. Yeah, that one. And as you can see, they do. It does this by, it chooses the thing to use, and then it takes the operand. The opcode leads to a different, each of the opcodes leads to a different function. So this one will lead to add, which is down here, and it will do that using what is stored in the accumulator here, these bits here. So that's on and that's on, which are the same as what was earlier, and it does that to these bits here in the middle, that are what is added to it. So if you press the button, it allows the next instruction to happen. It doesn't happen automatically yet because I haven't completely finished everything, because I lost a lot of time when Mr. Mees recommended a different program to use, but which wasn't beefy enough to handle this sort of stuff. This is the storage of the memory, and so when you put in the memory is only 4 bits strong, because it will take a very long time to build it, longer than that. So the last 4 bits of here are the addressed memory location, and at the moment the last 4 bits, the 8 is lit up. So if I do something from the memory, it will choose number 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that is the one which is open. That is where the wire is being lit up from. All the others are closed. You can't get memory through that. And at the moment that is full of on bits. So if I want to add from the memory location there, it will add all those bits, which will give it an overload, and so it'll be like subtracting 1 bit. And so those 3 bits will light up, that bit will stay on, that bit turn off. Yes, as I said. And you can also subtract by pressing this one, and then, so that's 001, which there, subtract. And so if I press this, it'll go back to the situation it was in before. It's not perfect, it's still glitchy, I need to solve some things, but that's basically how it works. So you have the memory, the operand, the opcode, there's the decoder where it carries out the things, and there is the memory where it stores all the things. So it goes to this. I didn't see the need for an MBR, it just seems unnecessary, so these just go straight to the CIR, which is effectively that bit, so it splits up that into the opcode to be used, and that into the memory to be used, the function to be done, and adds it to the accumulator, which is also shown here. Thank you.